Massive bullish week for silver. It has hit 3150 levels here. Yes, 10-year high levels, which is seen on the dollar prices. See, this was the price way back in 2010 when we have seen silver hitting those levels. Now it is back to this zone after consolidating here in this zone for years. Can we expect bull run to continue here in silver? Can we expect it to move towards higher highs towards 35, 36, or in fact 40 and 49 levels, which is the all-time high level? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week and for the next few weeks? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review and I do share my daily updates and targets. In fact, twice a day I share my updates and targets for silver such that you can all trade profitably every day and take a wise decision. Then subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon for notifications. Do like, share, and which is a great motivation for support. And join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into 4-hour. Now look at 4-hour charts. Moving averages are looking upwards. It is forming an exponential curve here, and which suggests that there could be further rise as well. But right now, if you draw a channel here, you will find that silver is trading in this bullish channel. Where are the lows of the channel? Now $30 has become the base. $30 was the resistance for last few years. We have seen even post-COVID, $30 giving it a very good resistance. And thus we have to be cautious here. Even if it tries to retrace, it has to break below 30 in order to suggest bearishness. Right now, it is not suggestive of any such bearishness. Rise, consolidation, and then this breakout. Now, if you look at the last, where is it closed? It is closed at the top at 3150 levels. And thus, once it stays beyond 3150, 3180 zone, look forward to see 32 appears to be a very easily achievable level. Looking at the bullish closing, it appears it can give a bullish gap up opening as well. We have to be watchful. But also remember, see, look at the behavior in silver. It tries to move away from the 20 period. It always tries to come back to the zone. What will happen here? It may try to trade bullish, wait for the moving average to climb up, and then achieve the levels after a bit of retracement. Stochastic is overbought here. Look at MACD on the 4-hour charts is at extremely higher levels. It is still trading with extreme divergence. Calls for it to converge a bit. This was the last time when we have seen such rise. It has shown a sharp drop following that. And for silver on the 4-hour chart, such breakout on MACD is a rare phenomenon. For last few years, we have not seen silver hitting such highs. One reason was that it was trading sideways, it was trading in a block, and that is why also it has stayed within the zone. Look at RSI. This has come to extremely overbought levels. It calls for it to pull back a little. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, if you look at rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement, and this is the third round of rise here. It is also trading in a bullish channel here, which you can find it in this zone. Where are the highs? Highs are now about 3200 levels, 3200, 3250, which are going to be the highs. Now see what has happened here. After a bigger rise, it calls for it to pull back a little, and thus this time again, this is an exponential rise. It may call for it to retrace a little. Where $30 levels is going to be first prime support, and then 2940, 2950. If these two levels are, then only we can say that it is going to show a stronger pullback. Now see, else it is achieved such high levels that even if it tries to slowly move on the downside, the indicator will cool off in a single week or so, where in fact the price even not break $30 levels. We may see indicators coming down significantly. Stochastic is overbought here. Look at MACD. It has crossed over here, trading with divergence. The sharper the drop calls for it to a sharper rise. And if it forms a double top, you can imagine where the prices would be. It is beyond 32. We can look forward to 3280, 3350 levels as well if it continues to stay bullish in the similar fashion and with the similar divergence. But if you look at the candle size, it has hit the extremes. So I think that the bullishness may get diminished from the current levels. RSI back to overbought zone. Coming to weekly chart, look at the weekly charts here. Rise, retracement, and this is second bullish candle closing at the top, and also it is at the top of the channel here. So we have to wait for it to give a breakout here. Beyond 3200, 3250 zone, there is going to be similar size of candle, or in fact further bullish candle, which can be expected here. Now if you look at the phenomena here, after every 2 or 3 bullish candle, it tries to retrace, and thus this could be another round of move where the retracement is possible. If not next week, then next to next week. Stochastic rising. The MACD is divergent. The MACD is bullish. It is looking upwards. It is showing signs of bullishness, and it is still room for it to continue with the rise towards the double top. RSI rising back to overbought zone. Coming to monthly chart. Look at the monthly charts. The moving average is now starting to diverge, and I have mentioned here as well. See, look at this move here, coming from the lows at uh, $14. You have seen it hitting $30 levels. After that, months of consolidation and retracement, and now this breakout. So from $25 levels, in fact, it can move towards $40 levels with such bullish candles, such successive bullish candles. If the next month also going to go bullish, we are looking forward to extremely high levels. But if you look at the move here, rise, retracement, and this breakout, it has come from the lows at around $24 levels, 22, 24 levels, and thus possibility of a rise exists. But again, this is not possible without a little pullback or a retracement. Yes, it has come out of the resistance zone. We have seen $30 levels as a greater resistance. It has breached these double top levels as well, and now looking upwards. So it appears that silver might sustain this rally for a while, moving towards 35 or in fact $40 levels. Stochastic rising, look at MACD. It has started to diverge after crossing over here after bearish move. It is now looking upward. So these candle sizes may continue to rise for next few months and taking the prices towards rocket high levels. RSI is rising, again signs of bullishness. So now we have seen the charts, now we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can all trade profitably and comfortably. And before I give you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 31st mentorship batch starting next week. In this batch, I am going to share all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setup which can help you identify the profitable trades and help you trade profitably. Do not miss to join this learning journey. Else, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. We are trading as per the signals you can benefit. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure with global presence, which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads. Yes, if you join through the link, you'll get the lowest spreads on offer. So do not waste your money by paying higher fees and hidden charges to your broker. Join this global broker and enjoy trading. Now, first, let's talk about the levels to buy. Now, I will recommend you a buy if you see silver is staying about 3160. You can look forward to 3177, 3195, 3210 levels. Now, this is going to be the first strongest resistance zone. If it breaks beyond this, this is going to be an easily achievable levels as well. Beyond 3210 is where we can look forward to a very strong rise towards 3260 and then 3340 levels. 3340, 3360 is the next milestone which it needs to break in order to confirm the bullish move beyond 3420 and 3500 levels. We have to be little watchful here. The farther it goes from the moving average, the stronger the rise it shows, the stronger could be the pull on the downside. Thus, you need to be trailing. As long as 3200, 3250 levels are not taken, we have to be very careful with our buying positions. On the downside, where you should see, you can sell here at 3130 levels. 3130, 3120 is going to be a very good support zone. If silver stays below this, we will look forward to 3100 first support level, 3082 the next, and then 3050 levels. If at any point of time 3050, 3022 and $30 levels are taken, you can say now the bears might try to take over for further lows, and then you will look forward to 2950, $29 levels, and below that is where a sharp crash is awaited in silver. As long as silver stays between the zone, as long as silver in the coming weeks expect or takes a support from 29 to $30 levels, we can expect it to recover strong as well. And thus on the downside specifically, you should be taking your positions with the trailing stop loss, else the prices may bounce back again. On the upside, now coming week is going to remain critical, where 32 40 60 zone, very stronger resistance. 3160 zone, very strong resistance there at 3160, and beyond that you can look forward to a good rise towards $32 levels, and beyond 32 is where the bulls might be interested in for the further rise. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel membership channel on YouTube to support the effort. With that, do have a profitable trading week ahead. Do not rush up and take a buy position just with closed eyes. Prices might show a pullback. Though it is still bullish, it should retrace before rising. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. And yes, do press the bell icon so that you get the notifications. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.